You are not here just because of tradition. You are here for a serious purpose, to bear witness forever of this miraculous union that will take place.
Today, I promise you this, I will laugh with you in times of joy and comfort you in times of sorrow.
Divine, I promise to love you until I take my last breath, to protect you from harm, to comfort you in times of need, to dry your tears and calm your fears. I will cherish every moment we spend together.
Patigbabaw jud ninyo ang love, ang gugma sa usag-usa, remain man ang faith, ang hope, ug ang love, but the greatest is love.
Love, I personally thank you because you understand my overacting emotions. You also help me to overcome fear, frustrations, and the struggles that come from relationship with my family, studies, and works. And today, from this day on, I reluctantly return home with my man to run our own family. I am proud to be your loving wife, static to discover what's next into our lives.
Yes, this is the day that the Lord has made, and I rejoice because you already live in my heart. I make this my solemn vow today. I pledge my love to you in this sacred vow. I love you with all my heart and soul. And to me, this has always been enough. I pray always be by on your side and to always keep in the presence of the Lord. My heart for you will never break. My smile for you will never fade. My love for you will never end. And I love you.
And when these two born-again believers come before God to be joined together as husband and wife, the Apostle Paul calls it a mystery.
Sa duha ka postponement nga mga dates, walo ko nga dili pa gyud to right time, but now is the right time nga God has given for me, for us to celebrate this day.
Oh.
Anong question mo? Nakita mi sa schoolmate mi sa 4th year high school. And then, dili na ko siya crush. Lagi ako crush. But, kuhan, nag-meet yun me. And then, nababuhan ko niya. And then, o dito, nice part.
There are no monuments dedicated to me, and my name will soon be forgotten. But in one respect, I have succeeded as glorious as anyone who's ever lived. So all I need is to live in this world with you, with Christ.
Raymark, you came into my life at exactly the right time. In the past 10 years, we've experienced great triumphs and literal disasters together. God knows we are not perfect, and like everybody else, we have fought too many battles together.
You are the sunshine of my life. Each time I make a prayer, I prayed for us to be together forever, and I know it will come true.
And our story molded us into who we are today. These trials have pushed the boundaries of what we thought we could endure. And in the end, I feel more strongly connected with you in our resolve to get up and try again. I love you. I love you dearly for all that you are.
So right now we are going to take all the symbols, their vow, their commitment, their rings in just a short period of time. But this is for eternity.
Caught a vision in the stillness. Still see it, can't get it out of my mind. Started counting up the losses. Weight sinking, water began to rise.
You are my forever, my best friend, my dream come true, my shoulder to lead on. I vow to listen, to speak lovingly, and give generously all myself, to care, to heal, to rejoice. Today, as we surrounded by people who love us,
Time to surrender.
I chose you, and I love you.
Ready to fall. I'm leaving it all behind. I'm ready to fall. All of these ghosts, letting them go this time. So cut the line.
The highest happiness on earth is the happiness of marriage. Og nakita jud namo na kaganina no, upon walking the aisles, nahilak jud si Simsim no. Sa dili to siya nahilak kay tungod naguol, but tears of joy to siya. Sa wakas, ang babae nga iyang gidamgo kay maiyahan na gyud.
I won't let it get the best of me. Gravity holds the key for me.